Alright, haven't been down this job in a while. Winter kind of shut us down. Gonna go check and see what we got going on. Last time we were here, I think we just had to shovel the pool in the ground. Not a whole lot else. Let's see what we got popping off. Popping off of the top.
Oh, CE Pond's son back out here with these billy goats and these golden chickens. Yeah, me and Greg out here handling business. You know, it's been a long time. Shouldn't have left you, but you know, it was winter time. But we're here, early spring, putting in a patio around this beautiful pool that was put in by Integrity Pools. We got our basin and tamped in all the way around here, ready to get started on that. We gotta come all the way around here still, past where the diving board's gonna be right there. All right, yep. Don't wanna make it too heavy to go over stone base. But yeah, Berto doing it big, working hard. CE Pond Son's back on the scene. And we are screeding this entire area here to start. We'll square it off the house and get laying. Sorry, Bert, excuse him off. And then we're gonna screed all the way over here to this diving board platform here. Yes. Yeah! It's a beautiful morning here on the farm. Not sure the animals are out yet, but we are. All right, yesterday we began laying. That's gonna be our soldier course skid there, but we began laying our checker block over here. Started in that corner, worked our way out, came across here, got all this done. So 4 skids went down yesterday. We're looking to get the edges underneath the gate done in this last little corner here this morning. We'll continue this way with our screeding. By the end of today, I'm hoping to be laid all the way over to that Tampa update here at the farm. Animals are around today. I've seen them already. We're out here bright and early on a beautiful Wednesday. Yeah, this is what we got done yesterday. If you remember, we were over here somewhere, came all the way around here and up this side of the pool and almost got to the diving board, which is what our goal was. So everybody knows it's no big deal. We'll be there in a few minutes of time and effort. And as we come around here today, our early morning project is this pergola footers that we're pouring. As you can see, we've got it marked out, squared off. There's our auger, and we're gonna put that bad boy in the ground and then add some sonotubing and fill that up with concrete and yeah, be ready to go. This is labor.
Down there playing with some dirt. Hot tub is in. Beautiful tackle block patio has started to get laid. Massive swimming pool looking sharp. Getting the sonotubes in right now because we got more patio and a big pavilion going in right there. Talk about labor. Can't wait.
I'll catch you on the flip side.
Almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.